Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of CallTranscript Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, you're going to use the search bar of the App Marketplace to search for the application you'd like to install. Once that's done, you click on the application and this interface appears. In this interface, you click on Install and next you click on Allow and Install. From there, you refresh your page. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and you click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is a documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The next tab is a tutorials tab, where you can get smart cubes that will help you get the necessary credentials when setting up the application. And finally, we have the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.